Hello everyone. Recently, you might have seen viral videos like this on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Do you know how to make videos like that? If you don't, no problem. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create viral TikTok and Instagram Reels, step by step. So, let's start. First, open the Play Store and download this app. Once it's installed, open it. Here, you will find so many viral video templates ready for you to use. Now, select a template from here. It will give you the option to select photos from your gallery. Choose a photo that you want to use for your video. You can also adjust the aspect ratio of the video from here. Once you're happy with the settings, just click on the Generate button. Within a minute, your video will be ready to download. See, the video is now ready to download. You can preview it and then download it to your device. Now comes the second step, editing the video for the best result. Open the downloaded video in CapCut. Select the video and increase its quality from here. At the end of the video, add the same image you used before. In my case, I have a video clip, so I will add that instead. Great. The video is ready now. You can export it from here, but there's a small problem. You will see a Pixverse watermark on the video. We need to remove that watermark. Well, you can't remove it completely, but you can use a mask to hide it. Let me show you how to do it. Select the video in CapCut. Go to the mask option and select this. Now, adjust it just like I'm doing. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Comment below and let me know what you want in the next video.